Okay, this is Jovan from Airsoft Jovan 2030. I'm making a review on the Task Force Black Echo 1 MP5. This is the box. All red. I got this gun from Strike Force Sports in New York, Long Island, on Comac Road, right across from the Tanger Outlets in Deer Park. I'll open the box and show you. There's the gun. This is the charger that it came with, and this is the high-cap magazine that it came with. It holds 200 rounds. We open this thing right here to load the BBs, but I usually just get a speed loader and put it in there. Here's the wind. Holds 200 BBs, 200 rounds. I prefer, even though I have 3 other mid-caps, it might be a little better because you don't have to worry. You just take out the gun. There's the gun. Okay, slip the magazine in. Goes right in. See that lever? Push it. Wait. Push it. Comes right out. Do it again. Right out. Okay. Select the switch. Okay, this is safety, semi-auto, which is single shot, and that's full auto. Now, I prefer to use, if you have a high cap, I prefer, you could use full auto sometimes, but maybe single shot. But if you have a mid cap, don't use full auto because it wastes the BBs really quick. And you would have to have a lot of BBs and a lot of magazines. So I prefer not to use it on a mid cap, but yes on a high cap. Now it has the selector switch on both sides. I'm doing it on the right side. Pretty easy to switch. I have no complaints on it. Now sight. Here's the front. Back. Now, this is the main sight. I prefer to use the biggest one, but it's 4. It's extra small, large, and extra large. Okay, I prefer extra large. Pretty easy to aim, even though some people like extra small, some people like medium, some people like small. Now, the stock. See this lever here? Push that to the side. That's the first one, shortest, medium. That's all we got. This is what I prefer. Very good accuracy. I think that's the best accuracy on full auto and semi-auto. Now let me show you the hop up. See that lever right here? Watch this thing, this black thing. You pull it back, that opens up. Now, you can see that little black thing. I don't know if you can see it. So you just push it in and out. When you're ready to buy the gun, I think it's already set up. It's pretty good. You don't need to mess it up, change it or anything. Now, let me show you the battery. It's in the front. Now it's on the other side. You just push this thing right there, and then pull that. Come right out. This comes down. Battery slides right out. Now this is the battery that it came with. It's an 8.4 volt. But I bought an extra battery. It was like 25 bucks. Right here. I bought it because it lasts longer, and I think it helps the gun. These are the batteries it came with, but I prefer to buy new ones because these last longer. Just slide it back in. Right there. Put the wires in. Pops right back in. Some people have trouble with it, but once you get used to the gun, I've only had it for like 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Got it on Black Friday at Strikeforce Sports for $215. I think it's pretty good for Echo 195. And I guess that's everything. This is a review for the MP5 Airsoft 20 from Airsoft Iran 23. That's pretty much it. I highly recommend this gun, and so that's it. See you.